Okay. Outline of the Mermaid of Zennor story is that a mermaid was found by young Matthew Trewella, 18-year-old young lad, who was a carpenter and a really good singer in the village of Zennor about 200 years ago. And she mysteriously appeared as a girl. I mean, he knew that it was her. At the back of the church, used to come and sing thereafter, after he'd rescued her. She's swam away. Used to sing and appear in the back of the church, but would go as fast as she could once the service was over and nobody had caught up with her. Then she took to appearing at night in the church while Matty was making the wooden rood screen for the church. And she begged him to come with her down to the bottom of the ocean with him. He was very wary because he wanted to live, even though she was very beautiful. He wasn't going to risk his life. But eventually, when the rood screen was finished, Matty was never seen anymore, and neither was the mermaid, until 5 years later, a friend of Matty's sailed his ship into the cove, cast anchor down into the water. A mermaid appeared with a little baby in her arms that looked the spitting image of Matty Trewella. And she called the captain of the ship to pull anchor up again because the anchor was lodged across the entrance to her house down at the bottom. She couldn't get into her children. Sailors willingly pulled up anchor and sailed away as fast as they could, away from the bad luck of the mermaid. But when the story got round Zennor village, well, people knew that obviously what had happened to Matty Trewella was he'd gone off down with the mermaid and he was still alive, living happily down there, having a nice time. Sorry, I get confused about the story when I try to tell it briefly, but basically it's a mermaid story with a happy ending in which nobody actually dies. That's it. This is a song which could be used as a sort of jolly song